Right, I think we're heading this way.
Oh, look, Benji. They're over here.
That one looks like it's still a kit. Oh, that's what you call a baby rabbit.
They're gone. Benji, where did they go? There's another one behind you.
Whistling Winkles. I think we found their burrow.
There's one entrance here and another entrance here. The burrow must be huge.
Yep, it's a big underground maze. Rabbit burrows have narrow tunnels to move around and some wider spaces for living and sleeping in. Sometimes the rabbits line the floor with fur and grass, like a cozy bed.
Just like the crow's nest.
Exactly.
How did the rabbits dig them?
See for yourself. She's scraping back the dirt with her paws to make the tunnel bigger. That's why you can see bits of mud scattered around the entrance. Let's leave these bunnies to it. Time to head back to our cozy nook.
Happy digging, rabbit.